What up? Muscle up. Big Herc 916 over at the TED 7 event. 1 year anniversary to the big guy who does all the photography for all the cool cars. And there are a lot of cool cars out here tonight. Take a stroll through the parking lot so you can see what they got out here. It's kind of dark, but hopefully there's enough light for you to see a little bit of what they have parked out here. It's a pretty clean classic Alfa Romero. Got some Porsches over here. 911, some air cools. Yeah, the parking lot's pretty dark, so you can't see too well, but you can see well enough that there are some cool cars out here. Got a Grand National over here. Oh shit, some American muscle. And you got a 70s fastback Mustang right next to it. Matte black. Nasty. You know I'm a big Mustang guy, big muscle car guy. I love the way these 70s just sit, man. They just have a nice stance to them. And of course, a Grand National, you can't go wrong with that. And then we got a 68 fastback over here. All done up like Eleanor style. GT 500. This thing is badass. I never get tired of looking at these. It's kind of hard to see it out here because of the light, but you guys can hopefully get a decent view of what the car looks like. Go to muscleupdetailspray.com and pick you up some merch. Got a classic 5 Series right here. It's got a cool blue. Usually you don't think of 4-doors, but this is a clean looking 4-door. Probably with a 535, maybe in early 80s. Lambo, Ferrari 355, R8. More Lambos for you. Yeah, some nice whips out here, man. Some nice whips. Nice little Porsche 356 right here. Pretty clean. Nice blue. These are just cruisers right here. They're not crazy horsepower, but they're stylish. This is a cool little speedster. I don't know if it's I don't think it's a real one, but it does have a nice look. Actually, it says 1 of 800, so maybe it is. I just never seen one with a roll bar in it. So it might be the real deal. If it is, this is some serious bread right here.
I'm surprised it made things.
That's aluminum, that's a $1.3 million car.
This is?
If it's aluminum body, which it looks like it could be, Yeah, it's like, yeah, it's $1 million. It's like $1.5 million. Thing purrs. Sounds good, man. You too. We got a Shelby right here, parked next to the Eleanor. Now this is a Shelby GT350, and these, when they came out, were the shit. And this is a pretty green, and it looks pretty original. One of my favorite all-time cars. Very rarely do you see these cars side by side. A Shelby next to an Eleanor. Look at that, man. Wow. Look at the comparison. Which one would you take? The Eleanor? Or would you take the Shelby GT350? This is another sleeper on the collector car market, the Alfa Romeo GTV. It's a unique car, different, got a cool shape. I know, I've always kind of liked these cars too. They're different. You don't see a whole lot of them. Very rarely do you see these at car shows. I've never seen one of these resto modded. Muscle up, subscribe, share the channel, represent. You know how we do it over here. Nothing but cars. The passion for the car lifestyle. Go pick you up some merch at muscleupdetailspray.com. Big Herc 916.